After building the salmon ladder in my previous video, I now know that it is terribly important to get the center of your holes to be at the precise centers of your posts. So just be as accurate as you can with your hole locations. Well, it's not terribly big. It's the fact that it's... Oh, I got it! Big Bertha!
Hey look, there's another one down there.
Shut up, Ralphie. To get the proper height of my posts, I once again dropped them into their respective holes and then marked where the ground intersected the posts. I then measured 9 feet and 8 inches away from the mark and then cut off the tops on the table saw. If you're wondering why I cut the posts down to 9 foot 8, it's because I needed to account for the thickness of the 4x4s that would be resting on them. Otherwise, the flying bar wouldn't be level. One thing that I found helpful to bring my posts to the proper widths is taking a ratchet strap and then ratcheting it until the posts were 48 inches apart. For the gaps designed to cradle the pull-up bar, I used several of my scrap 2x4s and cut 45-degree angles on one side of the 5-inch pieces. I then screwed them to the tops of the 10-foot beams and had the angled sides facing each other with a 2-inch gap in between. In case anyone was wondering what happened to Dad, there he is. He's working on a generator box. I then took both of the cutoffs from the 2 posts that I cut earlier and screwed them to my salmon ladder with some 5/16 lag bolts. The final point that I'd like to make is that in my next video I'll be building an ultimate cliffhanger, and in that video I'm going to be adding some braces to the whole course to get rid of some of the shaking that I'm sure most of you have noticed. So make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos.